Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll discuss time intelligence function in DAX. So today I'll discuss three most important time intelligence function, that is MTD, QTD and YTD. We will explore these function in a very detailed way. So be with me till the end of this video, and I make sure you by end of this video you will have clear idea about these functions. Okay, so let's start. But before that, if you're here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. I have created a separate Telegram group for daily job updates related to data analyst, Power BI developer, or related to these skills. So if you wanted to join, the link is in the description box. You can join. So let's start. So here I am at Power BI desktop. Okay, so I'll click on this blank report. So I entered into the Power BI environment. Fine, I don't have any data as of now, so what I'll do is I'll create my data by myself and we'll discuss it. So what I'll do is I'll create one new table. So we can create new table using here home tab. We have one option of new table. So what I'll create is I'll create one, that is calendar table. Fine, I'll create calendar table. So how we create calendar table, let's see. So the name of the table I'll say is, let's say, sales table, sales date. Okay, sales date is equal to calendar of, see, calendar ask for two argument, that is start date and end date. So I want the calendar starts from 1st January 2023 to 31st of December 2025. So how we can, let's see. So date of year is 2023, month is January, so 01, day is 1st January, so 01. Okay, end date I want last day of December 2025, year is 2025, month is 12, last day is 31st, right? I'll press enter. See, I have total, if you see the last row of this table is 31st of December 2025. Fine, I hope you understand. But here we have time as well, but I do not want time. So what I'll do is I'll change the data type. As of now data type is date time, I'll change to date. Okay, so now the data type is date, but along with date we have day also, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So what I'll do is I'll change the format. So using this here we can change the format. So I want format to DDMMYYY. So if you go till the end, here is we have DDMMYY. Okay, so now we have perfect. Okay, perfect date column. So now I'll create again one new column that will be related to sales, because first one is we have sales date table. So now I'll create one sales column. I don't have like data for all the dates, so what I'll do is I'll use random number between 1 to 10. So to create random number between 1 to 10, we have one function in Power BI, that is rand between. Okay, so I'll use that function, rand between ask for two argument, that is bottom comma top. That means lower value to highest value. So lower value I want 1 and highest value I want 10. So what it will does is it will generate the random integer number between 1 to 10 for all the dates. See, random number generated. If I drag till the last, we have some random number for 31st of December 2025 as well. Fine, so things are clear as of now, I believe. Okay, so don't forget to like if you like this video as of now. So what I'll do now is I'll go to report view. Okay, I'll create one table. I'll increase the size and will drag this date as well as sales here. I'll increase the font because font is very less here. I'll increase the font. As of now this is 10, so I'll increase to 15. Let's say 15 will be much readable. And column header I'll also increase to 15. That would be much readable. Fine. Now what I'll do is, first I'll explain you MTD. MTD stands for month to date. Okay, month to date. So what MTD does is, it is nothing but the cumulative total from a start of the month up to the current date. So if I explain you through this table, so here we have like different month, okay, for each year. So if I look at here, year 2020 January, so total we have 31st day for January month. Okay, so if I create total MTD, what will happen is, it will give the cumulative sum like 10, then 10 plus 4, that is 14, again 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, likewise. So it will go till the last day of the month, that is 31st of January. Okay, whatever will be the like sum of sales for January month will be at like 31st of January. But again, like when we will enter to the new month, that is January, Feb 1, what will happen is, the cumulative sum will like automatically resets to the first day of that value, that is nothing but 1, or in a simple way we could say that is the first sale of that first day of the month, first sale of first day of that month, that is nothing but 1. Okay, so I hope you got it, or else I'll create, what we'll do is I'll create one new measure. So how we create new measure in Power BI? We have one option here, new measure, or we can create here 3 dot and new measure. It's up to you how you want. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll create MTD measure. So how we create MTD measure is, I'll keep the name of this measure is total MTD. Okay, total MTD. So the function name is total MTD. Okay, that will be, I want sum of what? Sum of sales. Okay, now second argument is date. So date is coming from dates here, sales date table, right? Date. If I enter, we created like MTD sales. So what I'll do now is, I'll just drag this MTD into this table. See, so we got the total MTD, that is nothing but the cumulative sum. So here is first like January 1st sale is 8, so total MTD is 8. January 2nd sale is 8, so total MTD is 8 plus 8 is 16. Likewise, it will go till last day of that month, that is January 31st, that is nothing but 178. And when we enter to the next month, that is Feb 1, like new month start, so what will happen is, this total MTD sale will reset to the day 1 sales. So day 1 sales is 5, so the MTD sale will be 5, and again same as Jan, the process will continue for Feb. And when we'll enter to the next month, that is March, what will happen is, the total MTD sale will resets to the day 1 sale, that is nothing but 3. I hope you understood. Here, as you could see, total is 189. So 189 is here you could see two total. First is the sum of sales, that is nothing but 6079, and the second is 189. So 189, this is nothing but the like cumulative sum of last month of this calendar, that is nothing but the sum of like December 2025. December 2025. If I drag the last, so this will be nothing but the last, that is nothing but the last day of December. See, the last month of this calendar, that is nothing but December 2025. Fine, that is 189. So 189 is coming. Okay, I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section. And fine, now what I'll do is, as I'll explain you total QTD now. So what QTD does is same as MTD, but here MTD like give the cumulative sum for each month. And what QTD will give you, first QTD stands for quarter, okay, quarter to date. So what QTD does is, it will give the cumulative sum for each quarter. So in a year we have 4 quarters, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1 starts from Jan to March, Q2 starts from April to June, Q3 July to September, and Q4 is October to December. Okay, so QTD will give the sum of like Jan 1 till March 31st, and whenever we will enter to different quarter, that is nothing but this quarter 2, or we could say the April 1, this total QTD will be automatically resets to the day 1 sale, that is nothing but here the 9. Okay, so let's create one more new measure, that will be total QTD sales. So total QTD sales is nothing but total QTD. Okay, so I want sum of sales, so sum of sales comma dates, date column is total, we have sales date. Okay, sales date. So it's created. What I'll do now is I'll remove this total MTD from table and I'll drag this total QTD sales. See, it's giving 493. This 493 is nothing but the sum from like sum of quarter 1, and when we enter to quarter 2, it's reset to day 1 sale, that is nothing but 3 here, and it will go like it will go for all the quarters in a similar manner. And same as MTD, here this 484 is nothing but the sum of last quarter, that is sum of from September 2025 to December 2025, that is nothing but this 484. If I drag till last, you could see here. One second. So if I see, this is nothing but the sum from here October till December last. Fine. This is nothing but 484. I hope you understood. Okay, and now the next and the last function, time intelligence function we have is YTD. So YTD stands for year to date, which is nothing but the cumulative total from a start of the year up to the current date, same as MTD and QTD. So MTD does for month, QTD does for quarter, and year will does for year. Simple way we could say that. So I'll create one more new measure. So the measure name will be total YTD sales. Okay, so total YTD expression I want is sum of total sales. Okay, and the date is sales date table. So we have one new measure, that is total YTD sales. So what I'll do is I'll remove this total QTD sales from table and will drag this total YTD sales. So what it will does is, if like table is very big, so what I'll do now is I'll remove this day. Okay, I'll remove this day from here, and also let's say quarter. See here, so the month of Jan 2023 sales is 194, Feb is 141, so 194 plus 141 is 335. March is 186, so 335 plus 186 is 521. So it will go till last month of 2023, that is December, that is nothing but 2057. And when new year starts like 2024, so the sum of sales will be reset, like total YTD sale will be reset to the first sales of that month, that is 168, as I explained you for QTD and MTD. Fine. So it will go for till like December 2024, so that is nothing but 2054, and again when Jan 2025 starts, that is nothing but when new year starts, so it will be the total YTD sale will be resets to the sales value, that is 169. So it will go till last, and same as QTD and MTD, this 2098, that is nothing but the total here, that is nothing but the sum of last year sale, that is sum of 2025. So here this 169 plus 165 334, so it will cumulate, it is nothing but the running sum or cumulative sum for 2025 year. So the last is 2098, so the total is 2098. Okay, I hope you understand. Still, if you have any idea, still if you have any doubt or any idea, like if we can generate these function or we generate this using some other function, please comment that function into the comment section. And if you have any doubt or any small anything, okay, so comment your doubt or comment your query into the comment section, and definitely I'll look into it. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can join the Telegram group, you can subscribe, like to this video if you like the content, and you can comment, you can share this among your friend. Thank you. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and